Yes. Good morning, children. Today we are going to take the problems from exercise 3.7 optional. The first problem you have to go through from your textbook. Textbook page number is the 68. The ages of two friends, Annie and Biju, differ by 3 years. Annie's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Annie, and Baiju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. The ages of Kathy and Dharam differ by 30 years. Find the ages of Annie and Baiju. Okay? So here, two friends are there. In these two friends, Mr. Annie and Baiju, the difference of their ages is 3. So what we have to do is, Annie's age is equal to X years. Baiju's age is equal to Y years. Difference of their ages is the 3 years. So here one point we have to remember, difference he gave. Difference means Annie may be older or Baiju may be older. So two cases we have to solve in this. In these two cases, first we are taking Annie is the older. Then according to the problem, x minus y is equal to 3. It is the first equation. And the next, another case, what he said, Annie's father, Dharam, is twice as old as Annie. Dharam's age is equal to 2x years. Why? He said he is the twice the age of Annie. And Baiju is there. Baiju is twice the age of his sister Kathy. So he is the double, means sister is the half of his age. Why we have to calculate as Kathy as a subject? Because the next sentence he gave that the difference of ages of Dharam and Kathy. So in terms of the Kathy only we have to find the age. So Kathy's age is equal to half of the Baiju age. Why? Baiju is the twice of Kathy, means Kathy is the half of Baiju. So y by 2 years. Now he said a difference of Dharam's and Kathy's ages is 30 years. So that 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. So simplify it by taking that LCM 2. 1 to the 2, 2 to the 4x minus y is equal to 30. So that 4x minus y is equal to 30 into 2. So 4x minus y is equal to 60. This is the second equation. Okay. Now we got the first equation as well as the second equation. Now we are going to solve these two equations. So how to solve that? Solve equation 1 and 2. X minus y is equal to 3. 4x minus y is equal to 60. Here we can follow that elimination, that is by subtracting minus plus minus. Cancel. So minus 3x is equal to minus 57. Minus minus cancel. X is equal to 57 by 3 is equal to 19. So what we have to do? Now we have to substitute the value of x. The value of x in the equation 1. Substitute x is equal to 19 in equation 1. That 19 minus y is equal to 3. So 19 minus 3 is equal to y. Y is equal to 16. So now you got that y is equal to and x is equal to. X is the age of Annie and y is the age of Baiju. So that Annie's age is equal to x. X means how much? 19 years. Baiju age is equal to 16 years. So one case we are completed. Just the beginning goal I told you. Difference of these two ages means maybe Annie is the older or Baiju is the older. First case we have taken Annie is the older than Baiju. That is why we got that x minus y is equal to 3. So that now we can take Baiju is older than Annie. Then problem will be changed. So in these cases, two answers will be there. So in the other case, in the other way we can solve it. Now, Annie's age is the x years, Baiju's age is the y years. So here, Baiju is older. First case we are taken, Annie is the older. Therefore, y minus x is equal to 3. As per the first condition, difference of their ages is the 3. So this you can write in an order. Minus x plus y is equal to 3. First equation, you got it. Same way, the next, what he said? Dharam. Dharam is twice as old as Annie's age. So Dharam age is equal to 2x years. Then Baiju. Baiju is double of Kathy's age. Therefore, Kathy's age is equal to y by 2 years. Now, difference of Dharam and Kathy's age. Dharam and Kathy's age. How much? 2x minus y by 2 is equal to 30. Same way, you can take that LCM 2. It is the 4x minus y is equal to 30. 4x minus y is equal to 60. Second equation, you got it. Now we have to solve the first and second equations. Solve 1 and 2 equations. What is the first you got there? Minus x plus y is equal to 3. This is 4x minus y is equal to 60. Now here we have to solve by the elimination by addition. Now plus y minus y cancel. 3x is equal to 63. X is equal to 21. 63 by 3. So x is equal to 21, you have to substitute in the given equation. That is minus 21 plus y is equal to 3. Okay? Y is equal to 3 plus 21. So y is equal to 24 years. Okay? Now x is the Annie. Therefore, Annie's age is equal to 21 years. Baiju's age is equal to 24 years. That means this type of the problems will be have two answers. The two types of the calculation will be there. Okay? So in the examination also two types we have to solve it. Therefore, here this type of the questions will be have the two answers. One is the 18 and 19 and 16, and the other one is the 21 and 24. Okay. Now we are coming to the next problem. Please, these problems you have to do in the class workbook compulsory. When you are coming to the next problem, what is the next problem here, please? Here the two friends are there. For the two friends. So they are discussing about their capacities. Now one says, give me 100. I shall then become twice as rich as you. Then other fellow replied, not the 100. If you give me only the 10 to me, then I'll become 6 times as rich as you. So he's asking to find out how much money they have. So, understood please. Now, here friends we can take that A and B. So A has rupees X and B has rupees Y. Now we can think that A is saying that. Who is saying? A. If you give me 100, I'll become twice as rich as you. That means if the B is agreed to pay 100 rupees will be minus from him, and that 100 rupees will be added to the first. Then what he said? He is the twice as rich as him. Therefore, x plus 100 is equal to 2 into y minus 100. So, x plus 100 is equal to y minus 200. All the variables you can send one side off is equal. X minus 2y is equal minus 200 minus 100. X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. It is the first equation. Okay. Then second case. Then B, he said he is not agree for this, and he said, not the 100. You can give me only the 10 rupees. I will become 6 times of you. So here A, X, B, Y. So A has to give the 10 rupees. So 10 rupees minus from A. This should be added to the B. Y plus 10. Then what he said? He will become 6 times of A. Therefore, y plus 10 is equal 6 into x minus 10. So, y plus 10 is equal 6x minus 60. All the variables you can send other side off is equal 10 plus 60 is equal 6x minus y. So, 6x minus y is equal to 70. It is the second equation. Okay, 2 equations you got it. Now we have to solve this first and second equations. Now x minus 2y, solve 1 and 2. X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. 6x minus y is equal to 70. Then what we have to do here? We have to make them equal to the either y terms or x terms. Shall we do that x terms equal here into 6 into 1. So 6x minus 12y is equal 6 into 3 minus 1800. Now 6x minus y is equal to 70. Now you can subtract it. Minus plus minus. Cancel. So minus 12y plus 1y. How much? Minus 11y is equal to minus 1870. So y is equal to minus 1870 by 11. 11 ones are Minus minus cancel. 11 ones are 11 sevens are 0. So y is equal to 170. So y is equal to, you got that, 170. This we have to substitute in the equation 1. Substitute y is equal 170 in equation 1. What is the first equation you got over there? X minus 2y is equal to minus 300. So that x minus 2 into 170 is equal to minus 300. X minus 340 is equal to minus 300. X is equal to minus 300 plus 340. X is equal to 40 rupees. How much? X is equal to 40. So x you got it and y also you got it. What is the x here? Write that answers. Therefore, A has how many rupees? 40. B has how many rupees? 170. Okay? So that like this we are supposed to do these problems. These are very important problems. Please, you don't neglect. Go through that once or twice and try to do practice well in your notebooks. Okay? And we'll go for next problem. The next problem is a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 kilometers per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. Okay? But actually it is taking more time and this will be taken by tomorrow. You can try to do in your homework. It is not possible, I can explain. Once again I am reading the question. The train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 kilometers per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And the train was slower by 10 kilometers per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Then find the distance. What you have to take here, just oral I am explaining you. Take that the original speed is equal to x and original time you can take as a y. The distance will become x and y. In that way you can take and do it. Okay? If not, I'll explain you by tomorrow.